I was working as a project engineer in Wipro prior to Crio. I was from basically electronics background. I was looking for some opportunities in software development. Cryo had some great projects to showcase for. When I saw the Cryo portfolio, I really like building some great projects over here. It's like how someone from a team lead would give you the task to do, and we were supposed to do it. See, everything cannot be spoon fed to you. That I really found very interesting, and found that that was very similar to what we would do on a real job. Because you cannot say that with a basic resume you cannot get your resume shortlisted for a software engineer profile. Getting it for your resume to get shortlisted, it's important you make your resume in a structured manner. So the articles and the blogs presented that really helped that what we should be presenting in our resume. It's not like it would contain some long paragraphs. Make sure that it is divided into small points. And yeah, I would suggest that you first build out things and see that first of all if you really like it or not. It's not that like people what they do is they follow some of the approaches that some of other people might have held, and they might not be even interested. So first of all you try to figure out that if you are really interested into that role, if coding really excites you and building things really excites you, and it gets you motivating.